Yeah, shit got real. Reshock killed itself. And, taken off half the bloody plastics on this thing. Just to get to the rear shock. And yeah, I've got Preston taking off the back mudguard, because next year, this is going to be his bike, no longer my bike. So yeah. So, got the rear shock out, got all the plastics off, and one thing, this bolt was a pain in the ass. Where is it? It's just up under there. See that hole? Yeah, it's off center. So this thing was really hard to get out. It was really tight, really awkward, and yeah, getting the new rear shock in here tomorrow, and there'll be a video tomorrow of me and Preston installing that. So see you tomorrow.
They slave in fire with the ladies of the birds. The sky